morning guys. So GM Blase. So sasali tayo ngayon sa first Regional Director General Hansel Marantan Cup Level 2 Sanction Match, Barangay Tumbaga 2, Sariaya, Quezon.
Meron tayong 14 na active board, 2 no-shoot at 4 na polling na target. Any question? Pagkatapos na pumutok, I will give 3 minutes para mag-review.
This is a long course consisting of 14 IPSC targets, 3 IPSC medal targets, and total rounds to be scored 31 rounds.
Namili muna tayo kung ano sapatos gagamitin natin.
Gusto mo isang pula, isang puti. Ay,
Ito ba ang Speed Cross 6 na Salomon? O itong na-ice shoot para mas makakot? May spike. Huwag may spike naman pa rin.
gusto mo isang team, isang pula para
What?
Are you ready? Sir. Stand by.
Ayan, nanginginig pa ako ba? First time yung ulit may takbo.
Are you ready? Stand by. Clear.
Pa rin talaga ako. Lambanog pa. Lambanog pa rin kasi eh.
Minions pa.
Ay, putik ka! If it is a loading show clear. If clear down. Holter.
Tinignan ko.
Talaga tinutok mo ako sila. Bakit may makita kayo sa vlog mo ha? Lower and leg ready.
Hit the little. Facing down, Reg. Thank you. Are you ready? Stand by.
If you're finished and loading, so clear. If clear, hammer down, holster.
Are you ready? Stand by. The finish. Clear hammer down. Races.
Nalusot ko yung isa, putik!
Okay. Are you ready? Stand by. If you are finished and load and show clear, dancer, hammer down, holster, transfer, 1-3.5.
1, 3, 3, dapat change mag ako. Wala dyan na.
Ready? Stand by.
Hammer down. Oh,
So ayan, natapos ko na yung 9 stages. Meron lang akong 2 miss sa 9 stages. Pero kahit mainit, enjoy naman. So for more content, shooting content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sobrang init!